All right, everybody. Here's your core bites number 137, and here is your first question. It says, how much money does Madison need to buy 8 new bats? Each bat costs $99.95. So what you would do, you would set it up. So you would have $99.95, multiply that times 8. Okay? So start it off. 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Put your 0, carry your 4. Okay? Then you say 8 times 9 is 72, plus 4 gives you 76. So put your 6, regroup your 7. Then you're going to do 8 times 9. Okay? So 8 times 9 would be 72 plus 7 would give you 79 plus the 7. Okay? Then you're going to do 8 times 9 again. You're going to get 72 plus 7, which gives you 79. Okay? So you've got 799 somethings and then 60. So because you're using decimals and you multiplied, you're going to move over twice. So you're going to have $799.60. That is how much she's going to need to get those 8 bats. Okay? For the next one, it says, which property of multiplication is shown? So this is the commutative property because all they did was flip the numbers backwards. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. They just flipped them. For number 3, you're going to multiply and simplify. So for that one, all you do, put a 1 under the 7. 7 times 4 would give you 28. 1 times 5 is 5. Divide that. So if you divide 28 by 5, 5 will go into 25. Think of 25 5 times. 5 times 6 would be 30. Too much. So if you do 5 times 5 is 25. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. It would be 3 over 5. 3 over 5. Okay? Then it says sketch an angle measuring 100 degrees. So you know that a right angle is 90 degrees. So just do it a little more than that. And that would be about 100 degrees. Okay? For the last one, what shape is represented here? So this is a square. I know it is turned on its side a little bit for you, but just imagine if you rotate it, that is a square. Okay? All right, guys, make sure you let us know if you have questions.